Hi, this is Safi Tech Pro with another video. Um, Today I will install Windows 10 on MacBook Pro. Right now we will go to the website. We will download the Windows 10 from this website. I will put the link in the description, and it is total free, and we can download the original file from the Microsoft account from the Microsoft website. And you can also log into your Microsoft account. It will be good if you want. It's no problem. And we will select the version of Windows, and we will forward to the skip the forward it. And also right now we have to choose the language of Windows, in which language you want to use the Windows, and we will confirm it. And right now we can select the Windows version 64 and 64-bit, and also 32-bit. I will zoom it, and yes, you can see here right now. Yes, and yeah, I downloaded already. I have it. I don't need to download this Windows again. And if you want to see what is the version of your system, you have to go to the About This Mac, and over there you can see it's Intel Core i5. It's 64-bit, and if you see here, if you see here, dual core i5, and that's 32-bit. And all the new version of MacBook Pros and the Apple products, and Mac Pro and iMac, the new version, they're all of them in 64-bit. And now we will go, and right now we have to find I have to write on the search boot camp assistant, and we will go, and we have to be sure that you are connected to a network. And right now you can see I am already connected to hotspot here. And yeah, you have to sure that you are connected to a network, and after that you can proceed the procedure. And now right now we will go, and I will connect it. And also you have to connect the power cable, and it's also very important, and we will continue it right now, and it will take a little bit time, and we have to choose and right now I will choose how many. I will put it 60 gigabytes. Yes, you can see it right now. See it very closely, and it's 61 gigabyte. And I will press the install button, and also my file is already chosen, and you have to choose, otherwise you have to choose the ISO file. And then right now I will put my finger on the fingerprint sensor, and it will be restart itself automatically. You don't have need to press any button, and it will be, here is the Windows logo, and just wait, and it will be started automatically. Right now we have to select some settings, and it's not very complicated, it's very easy. And right now I'm living in Switzerland, and right now I will select the keyboard layout Swiss German, because I'm almost typing with this keyboard layout. I need it, and because of that I'm changing it. Otherwise you can select anyone if you want. Next, it's completely free. I don't have a product key. And right now Windows 10 Home, you can also select another versions, Windows 10 Pro and Professional, another versions. For the another versions you have to pay, and for Windows 10 Home it's free. And I accept license and terms, and here we go. Next. Yes, copying Windows files, and it will be not longer. It's very simple and very fast. It's dependent on your PC. It's very important. My PC is Core i5 MacBook Pro, and with touch bar it has a 8 GB RAM and also 1.5 gigahertz graphic. I'm satisfied from this PC. And now I will zoom it. Windows is getting files ready for the installation. And right now, restart button, enter button. It's the very easy way to install Windows 10 on your MacBook Pro. Here we go. We are almost done. And in the future, maybe I will put the videos on another language like German, Turkish. It will help for the another people that they don't know English. And now some steps and finish. Also, you can, it will not damage your Macintosh system. You can use both of them. During the starting of your computer, you can press this button, option button, and you will be able to use both of them. I will press yes, and again yes. I will skip it. Yes, I will press I don't have internet connection. I don't want. I will press this one, this time links left side with limited setups, and I will put the name Safi Tech Pro. I will put next without password. Yes, accept. You can change the settings later. For the time we haven't any more time. It's already a big video, long video. Sorry for making this almost there. You're finished. Yes, and I will press next. I will install, and you will be able to I will install it. And now if I will restart the Bluetooth is already installed. Yes, it's finished. I will restart my system, and right now see here, I will show you with restarting. You will press this button, option button, and after that it will pop up this pop-up menu. You can choose one of them. If you want to go to your Macintosh system, you press the enter button and you are able to use your macOS system. Thank you very much for your watching, and please subscribe my channel. For your support, I need your support. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to share and put a like, put a comment in the below, and thank you very much for your watching. Peace.